we're back here in IKEA. Kasama ko yung friend si Jeffel. Hi Jeffel. Yeah, so we're going to shop. So this is still trial pa rin nila for shopping experience. So ngayon is the 20th. They will be open on the 25th. Pero right now, we are able to shop and try the IKEA experience. Ayun, kahapon actually, if you saw my vlog yesterday, nag-tour na kami around IKEA. Pero hindi pa kami pwede mag-shop. So ngayon, pwede kami mag-shop and we're so excited. So I have this bag. And mamaya for sure we'll get some trolley kasi I'm going to get some big stuff as well. And yeah. Tapos syempre yung friend ko rin kasi I'm helping her to decorate her house. Kaya sinama ko rin siya rito for us to check some of the stuff that we can use in her house. Ayan, they have some kiosk here to help us find some of the stuff that we are looking for. Uy, yun o. Okay, so hindi ko alam kung anong lalagay dito. Siguro dapat ano. Ito website. Yun, so we have the website. And let's say we're looking for the rug that I want. Ayan. So ito yung vignette that we saw yesterday. So dito muna kami pupunta kasi nga si Jeffel hindi pa rin nakakapunta dito. So let's tour around. So ito yung pila for the restaurant pala. So mamaya na tayo pipila. Look, ang ganda ng frame. Cutesy, pwedeng nakaangat siya. Kaya ng plastic acetate eh. Kakaba. Pag natiklop. Pero it's nice. Okay, so many people compared from yesterday. So nakita mo talagang alive na yung store. Ayan, all set up. Yan, oh. Game. Okay, so many people compared from yesterday. So nakita mo talagang alive na yung store. Shopping board, oh. So actually, wala akong masyadong list of what to buy. Pero ang nasisip ko lang, I'll get a rug na I saw yesterday. Pero yung friend ko si Jeffel, meron siyang listahan. Kasi there are stuff that is not available online, na available lang on store, na we are getting here as well. Ayan o. Cute. Daming cute na stuff. So talaga mapapabudol ka. Ayan, o. Nice din na yung may magnet na Scandidates. So cute. Okay, itong game chair. Because my friend is asking and I'm thinking of getting as well. Diba? Coffee din, no? Ito I'll get one later yan. Kasi napabili yung pamangking ko. I think with the layout of IKEA, papaikot-ikutin ka niya talaga. So it's a combination ng showroom tapos ng place where you can buy. Kaya parang mabubudol at mabubudol ka talaga. I'm getting a fleece. Green ng kinuha kong fleece. It's just $5.90, murang-mura. Murang-mura. Lakas kong makamura. Pero what's the difference between this one? Why is this $7.90? This one is $5. Ito, yellow. So, contact stuff. Meaning wala siya dun sa mga rack na naka-boxes. Okay, ayun nga, for the items na contact salesperson, so you go here. Tapos they will give you a purchase order and something. Yan. Yan. Ito 18,000. Maganda dito. Lambot.
Wooden legs.
Oh, cute. Nice din. Pag reading area, no? Cute. Parang yung pantalon mo. Okay, moving forward. I have some messages pa from friends asking me to buy stuff. So, let's see if kaya ng budget. Pero yan, di ba? I have this in my room actually. Meron na ako niyan. Pero si Jeffel, she's thinking of getting one for her bedroom. And nakakatawa kasi ito yung nakalagay dito. Hindi ko alam kung gawa-gawa lang to ng ibang tao or the staff. Maganda rin itong mga ikot nila kasi it's easy to install. Madali itong install eh. Meron lang parang button. May naka-usling ganun. Tapos i-fit mo lang. Tapos itong ganitong shelves, the Billy one. Yan, Billy shelves is one of their famous klase ng shelf kasi it's standard. The size is standard. Tapos mura lang. It's 6,000 and easy to install. Okay, ito wala online available here, so I'll get kasi I always have a problem with filing yung mga project receipts and papers. Ayan, may nakita. Alin yan? Ada, oo nga. Kasi last time when we bought something sa Dubai, wala. Si ba to, Francis? Hi, Francis! Hello! Ayun ulit. Nasama kita sa vlog kahapon, konti lang.
Hello mga kapitbahay!
Kaya nakita na kami si Francis, tapos ngayon ulit. Busy to budol yan. Hindi pa rin natatapos. Nandyan pa din. Ang daming sapatos yarn. Ayun, so wala man tayong requirement sa chairs, so medyo pass tayo dito sa ating dining chairs. Wala tayong masyadong budol dito. This one is a manual, sit to stand daw. Ayan, exercise. Ayan, ito mechanical. Patingin nga, Jeffel, paano? Close na yung restaurant. Ayan, oh, sad. Sayang, hindi tayo naka-meatballs. So, we're now in the market hall. Pero, medyo mag-rush kami kasi magsasara na. So, inanarrow down na lang namin yung mga bibili namin. And we exchanged to a bigger trolley. Let's go. Kasi nga, wala na tayong time. Ayan, 30 minutes na lang daw. So, we're narrowing it down na lang. To, ayan o.
In 30 minutes. We hope you enjoyed your shopping here in IKEA and we
Hello! So, bilhin. Alam mo kasi lang totoo kasi life plants. Ayun yung gusto kong kunin kanina. Ay kahapon. Mga live pala sila. Kaloka. Ayan, ito ang ganda. Sabi ko mukhang totoo. Live pala. Okay, so last, na tayo. Going there. Dun sa mga flat self-serve area to get the chairs and the side table. Tapos babalik na lang tayo talaga sa susunod. Siguro mga after the 25th, I'll go back. Kasi uwian na, ayan, uwian na yung mga tao. Sarado na. Ayan, we're looking for rack 8. Number, ito ayan the mash bell, yung white one. Ito. Okay, let's get. Ilipat natin sa flat trolley. Ayan. Salamat kuya. At least nahabol natin sa time though we don't have pa. May pa tayong kailangang balikan kasi wala nang time. Pero ayan. Okay. Salamat kuya. Welcome. Okay, tumatakbo kayo kasi may time pa ng konting time and see if meron pa akong maihabol na mabili. Diba? Kasi ang haba rin naman ng pila dun sa counter. So ngayon, takbo. Ayan, we're here at the organization area. Kasi we're looking for one quick file shelves. I'm getting this fiddle. Ayun, dahil mahaba-haba po yung pila. So kahit sarado na, at least we can still go back a little. Ang dami naman bumabalik-balik. Parang the thing with fake plants, you can use it, pero mas maganda plants combined with mas maganda yung mas mukhang totoo. Yeah. This one, it doesn't look totoo, pero mura lang. Kunin na lang natin. Okay, so final na. I think naligaw ako. Or tama. Ayun, dito. Final na. Meron pa akong bit-bit na bago. But I might get an alarm clock para pampagising. Tama ba? Wag na lang. Wag na. Tigil na talaga. Let's stop. Let's stop. Let's stop. Okay, these are all our budols. Look. Charon. Okay. Last stop. Counter. Yay! We are here sa wakas. Kami na. Woohoo! Ready. So this is what we got today. So buti na lang rin. Minadali kami. Kasi medyo nag-limit na ako sa budget ko dapat. Sa intended budget ko today. Pero okay naman, happy what I got. So let's see. Excited to open and use everything here. Pero yan na sila. Tada! Okay, so we are done here in IKEA. Sobrang nakakapagod. Kasi yeah, talagang malaki siya. Pero it's worth it and it's nice and it's fun as well to to look for stuff that you want. And yeah, nakaka-excite. And also, like, ayun nga, dami nating nabudol. And buti na lang talaga umabot ako dun sa pinaka-ceiling ng hindi tayo lumagpas sa ceiling ng budget natin. So, yeah. See you guys. Thank you for joining me here sa ating first day in IKEA. First shopping actually na pwede dito sa IKEA Philippines. See you.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of home. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way.